Hey guys, welcome back and another video. Today I'm going to hook up this CTEK battery charger and maintainer to my 2009 Nissan GTR. This is MXS 5.0 CTEK. It's negative outside. It's gonna be negative for a couple of days, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be driving the car. And I had the CTEK before, obviously different one for my BMW M4, and I trust those chargers more because yesterday, the 2 days before, I hooked up that Viking that I got of Harbor Freight for like 30 bucks, but I decided to do with the CTEK. I trust it more. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so we are going to do unboxing. Not really. This camera angle is really messed up, but let's see what we have. Alright, there's a box. Then we have the bag for CTEK charger, which is cool. I like that, so you can put it away during summertime. I'm pretty much getting the CTEK because of the cold weather. In summertime I drive the car every day, but during winter time like I said, I drive it all season, but a couple of days of cold can destroy your battery. I mean, I think, yeah. Instructions, we don't need that. Okay, this is the actual box, and I remember in my previous one, you're gonna just pull these out. It's like rubber pins that are stuck into the CTEK. That's good. Okay, let's unpack this. Slow motion. I love CTEK. I like how the way it's packed and how everything is so solid. Okay, so do we need? Okay, so yeah, so it's nothing. Everything is straightforward. We just hook this one up with that. I wouldn't probably recommend hooking this up yet. Actually, yeah, we can. Okay, make sure that it's clipped. You always have to make sure to check if connection is tight. So yeah, this is the CTEK, and we have power in here. And I don't think I've seen the videos for GTR with CTEK, so that's good. Then we have a fuse here, so if anything goes bad, the fuse blows and you'll be safe. This actually is for if you're hooking up the battery, if you have like a motorcycle or you know, you got different connection, you can screw the screws through, but we don't need this. So all we need is just the CTEK itself, and obviously I connected here. So let's go and hook this up to the car. Okay, so we hooked everything up, and you can guys see positive goes first and then negative. I'm not gonna close it. I could put something here, like maybe like a box, and then just lower the hood down, but I'm not gonna worry about that because the car will go outside you know, every couple days or so. So I'm not worried about, you know, leaving an entire winter. That will be a different story. So I'm running it this way over, obviously, my bike. I actually got this cool poster, not a poster. I got this banner. What do you guys think? Looks pretty cool. All the GTRs and R35 at the end. My dog is barking. So I put it in here. So you can see the CTEK is actually charging right now. It's going through. So once you plug it in, so when you hook it up to the terminal, then you go to the AC, you go to the power and hook it up. The CTEK will start and automatically it will detect, like I believe so, yeah. So it shows a car. It will detect what kind of battery is that, and it's going through the stages, and once it goes to 7 it will maintain the batteries. So yeah, there's nothing you have to do. You don't have to hit mode or anything. And once this red also pops, then there is a problem with the terminal, or I believe so. Then you have to check the connection and stuff, or if the CTEK is bad inside, I believe. So once it goes through all the stages, then it goes green and it keeps your battery maintained. So yeah, this is it. So yeah guys, this is it. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.